Q's 440?
Yeah, I like that.
As long as it sets up. Watch that 440. I got the 440 puts loaded. NVIDIA. Yeah, NVIDIA's out. No one's touching NVIDIA today. There goes Q's. Bro, no way it breaks like that. Bro, because Tesla's dying with it as well. Or was.
I missed that initial move. Let's see if I can.
Oh no, Tesla's right back up. Bro, do you see the green or red to green on Tesla? Holy. Tell you, bro, I literally need to leave soon, so. Can you hurry this shit up? Thanks.
Appreciate it.
It's having so much trouble breaking the 60s. A good spot to take some off here in the 60s. Yeah. It's going to want to retest. Bro, if this breaks 60s. It's going to want to retest at 440. Yeah, that'll be good too. But look how many red candles in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Starting to hold in the 60s. It broke it by 1 cent. Sellers are going to really need to come in for it to break. See how look. It's just bouncing at 60s. I'll be surprised. So look, they're just holding 60s. 50s, 55. See how slow they are to the downside? And they're still pushing somehow. Bro, how are they still go? I mean, keep going. Like, damn. But, like, how? Bro, what?
Oh my god.
I just sold. I'm out. Wow, how did it do that? How? Literally how? Wow. How market? Bro, I literally needed to be done in the first 15 minutes, and that's what we just got. How many other people caught Q's? Here we are. And now everyone else is done in the first 15 minutes. W day. I literally need to be done in the first 15 minutes. I have to go somewhere at 9:45. And the market allowed us to be done in the first 5 minutes. Perfect trade on Q's. You guys take a look at this right now. And as you guys see, this is literally like the first 10 minutes of market. So the dedication to these live trading videos is there, right? So I took the 440 break to the downside. The reason why I took it is because pre-market low was around that 33, right? And I wanted to take this because there's weakness here in the entire market. I wanted this thing to flush on open, and it did, but I can't take it right at that pre-market low. Why? Because there's a chance that it gets stuck at that 440 area. Once I saw that it came down like that and then retested that 440 area, and there's so much more weakness on the time and sales still, that's when I got in for puts, and this thing started pushing. And you guys heard me say there's buyers there at the 60s. It's holding that 60s a little bit too well. Good spot to take some off. Now, I didn't take anything off because I was okay with it going to break even or continuing, because that's where the real money comes in, right? But for someone that might be on edge a little bit or might have too much emotions, that's a really good spot to start taking some off, as you see the buyers there. Now, you guys also heard me say, how in the world did this thing push? I still don't even know how that thing pushed. That thing, sellers came in and they really started coming in. Once the 60s broke, then it slowly came down to the 50s. Next thing you know, this thing's dying. Sellers could just come in out of nowhere. In that present moment, those buyers were holding it up. Now, buyers weren't holding it up to where it came up. Buyers were just holding it. So for any chance, if there's a lot of buyers coming in, it goes right back up. If there's a lot of sellers in, it goes right back down. It was holding, it was stagnant, flip a coin, it could have went either way. But sellers were still there somehow, and then they really started pushing. That's when the 50s broke, then the 40s, and then my ultimate sell was at 35 cents, the 439.35. That's when I got fully out, and then you guys see that there's just buyers just holding that area right at that 439 now. I mean, we saw it holding at the 50s and 60s, so that's why I literally sold on that next push. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That would have been 6 red candles in a row. So the chance of this bouncing was super high already. So that's why I got out on the last push like that. But literally 24% on my full position size. That's how you make your money. Literally, the risk to reward is a 1 to 3 risk to reward. At least, actually 1 to 4 risk to reward, because if I risk anywhere from 5 to 8%, that's a 1 to 4, 1 to 3 risk to reward. So I could lose 4 times or 3 times, and then I'll be break even. But since our win rate's so high, it just keeps adding and adding and adding. But that's the recap. If you guys enjoyed these, make sure you guys subscribe, leave a like, comment down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.